Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Crafting with Sneha. Today we are going to solve an easy level interview questions from Stratascratch.com. I have shared the link in the description so you can try it out yourself. Our question is on the count aggregate function. So first, let's understand what is an aggregate function. Aggregate function summarize the data and return a single result. Okay, so look at this table. There are order ID, customer ID, product ID, and quantity. And when we apply count star to this table, then it will return the total number of rows in the table. It will count all the rows, including null and duplicate values. Okay, so in the output, it will show count as a 10. Count as a 10, right? Then next, when we apply count on specific column name, it will return the number of non-null values in that column. Like when we apply count on customer ID, then in this column there is a one null value. See, there is a one null value. So it will exclude this value and show the output as a 9, right? Next, when we apply count distinct to the customer ID, then it will return only the unique values from the column. So in this column, 101, 102, 103, and 104 are the unique values. So let's move on to the SQL server. Select count star from orders as a count. Next, select count on specific column like customer ID as a count cust from orders and count with distinct. Select count distinct customer ID and discount from orders. Now I will run these queries and see. Count star, it will show in the output count as a 10. Then count on specific column in the output count as a 9 and distinct count as a 4. Right. I hope you understand this. So let's move on to the next question. Find the number of rows for each review score earned by Hotel Arena. Output the hotel name, which should be Hotel Arena, review score, along with the corresponding number of rows with that score for the specified hotel. Our task is to find out how many times each review score was given to Hotel Arena. So look at this table. It shows review date, hotel name, and reviewer score. And we need to find out the count of each reviewer score. Okay, so in this column, reviewer score 8.5 was given 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 3 to Hotel Arena. So in the output, it will show count of reviews as a 3. Okay, 7 was given 2 times. So in the output, it will show count of reviews as a 2. So let's move on to the SQL server. Select from hotel reviews. We want in the output hotel name, reviewer score, and count star as a count where hotel name equal to hotel arena. It will filter out the records of hotel name of hotel arena, right? And when we use aggregate function, then we must use group by clause with other selected column. So I will put these columns in group by clause. Now I will run this query and see in the output, it will show hotel name reviewer score and count of reviewer score, right? So let's move on to the next question. Count the number of movies that Abigail Breslin was nominated for an Oscar. Okay, so our task is to find out the count of movies nominated for an Oscar by Abigail Breslin. So look at this table. It shows the nominees who were nominated for an Oscar. Okay, and we need to find out how many movies Abigail Breslin was nominated for. So in this table, there are 4 movies Abigail Breslin was nominated. Okay, so in the output, it will show number of movies, count of number of movies as 4. So let's move on to the SQL server. Select from Oscars nomination. We want count distinct movies. Movie as a movies count where nominee equal to Abigail Breslin. So it will filter out the only Abigail Breslin movies. Right. Now I will run this query and see in the output it will show movies count as a 4. Right. So I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.